Hi, I'm Jennyfer Kenez of Jennyfer Kenez Design, and today I'm going to walk you through the basics of Google SketchUp. This is a program that I've been using for a few years, and I can honestly say that it's made my life and my clients' lives a lot easier. When it comes to visualizing space, the best way to earn the favor of your clients is to show them what you envision for their home. So rather than going ahead on verbal understanding, Google SketchUp makes it possible for you to present a concept as an accurate depiction of what the end product will look like. As far as floor planning software goes, Google SketchUp is the way of the future for designers and decorators alike because it allows you to search a global database of existing floor plans and products. So now I'm going to walk you through the basics of creating a floor plan from the ground up. If you haven't downloaded the program, you can do so by clicking on the link found in the Resource Center on the IIDS website. So once you've downloaded the program and installed it, you're ready to start working with Google SketchUp. You'll click New, and you'll have your first page set up. What you will see on your first page are lines and a gentleman standing within the lines. He's just there for scale purposes. There are certain basics that you're going to need to understand to be able to use Google SketchUp. The top line are all your tools that you're going to need to use for Google SketchUp. The ones I find I use the most to design my clients' plans are the rectangle tool, the line tool, the orbit tool, the zoom tool, the pan tool, the push-pull tool, the move and copy tool. So the first step to creating a model would be creating a floor. Take your rectangle tool and create a square. I'm going to go down into my dimension area. You enter in your dimensions. In this case, my dimension is 16 feet 3 inches by 19 feet 4 inches. The next step I suggest is to get rid of this dude. Now that the square is according to your measurements, you're ready to get started with creating walls. I'm going to click on my rectangle tool and I'm just going to create a square. It's not important for me to have accurate wall measurements. Then I'm going to click on my push-pull tool and I'm going to highlight the outer part of my square and I'm going to pull it up. I want to make my wall height 8 feet. So I'm going to go back into my measurements and type in 8 feet. It automatically pops into an 8 feet high wall. Next, I want to create a door opening. I'm going to take my pencil tool and create a line and then another line. Click on my push-pull tool and draw it down. I now have a door opening. Next, I want to start furnishing my room. So I'm going to go to my Get Model icon and click on that. Here is an opportunity to download all my models. I'm looking for a sectional sofa. So I typed in sofa and you will see pages and pages of options of different types of sofas. I'm going to click on this one, click on Download Model. It's going to ask me if I want to load this directly into my Google SketchUp model and I'm going to click OK. The loading only takes a couple of seconds and I have my sofa. With my Move tool, you hover around one of the X's, any of the four, and you're able to click on it and rotate it and lay it against the wall. Now I need a coffee table. So I'm going to type in coffee table. And again, many options. I'm going to download that into the model, rotate it, and place it. Then I want some club chairs. Again, type in club chairs, click on the club chair that I like, download model, click OK, rotate it. I want 2 club chairs, so I'm going to go to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste, and now I have 2. So now I'm going to add some color to my walls. I'm going to go up to my window and click on Materials. I'm going to select Colors, scroll down. I'm thinking hot pink. Click on hot pink and place it on my wall. I'm going to make that my feature wall. My accent color on the other walls is going to be fainter. I'm going to rotate the model around, click on the color that I want again, and there it is. So I'm going to place some flooring into the model. Click on Materials, select Wood. That one looks great. Click it into the model. And we have hardwood flooring. So now I'm looking for a console table. Find the console table that I feel will suit the environment. Click on it, download model, and place it against the wall. A mirror would be a nice accent on that console table. And it didn't drop into the model exactly the way I want it, so I'm again going to take my move tool and rotate it and place it against the wall. I need some texture in the room, so I'm going to find an area rug that I think is suitable for that room. Place it into the model. Oh, it's much larger than I need it to be. So I'm going to go up to Tools, because I want to scale it down. I'm going to click on Scale, click on the corner, and scale it down. Now it's a little bit below the level of the floor, so I'm going to select my Move tool and rise it up, making sure that I'm on my blue axis. I'm going to need a window for this wall. So I'm going to type in window and select the window and place it against the wall. And so there you go. This is something that you can do really quickly. Pretty much the program can be as simple as you want it, or it can be as complex as you care to push it. I designed a cottage, and here's an example of how far you can go with the program. So these are the basics to Google SketchUp. For more information and tutorials, check out their website.